What's up, guys? Today we're running the 83 Honda Shadow. Got all the bugs worked out. I think the rear drum brake needs to be adjusted a little bit. I could use a little more engagement, but this is a fun bike. And she moves. You can get any bike moving, I think. She does have open straight pipes, which I think I haven't noticed any problems, but I think it needs a little bit of back pressure. I would like it anyway, but she's a nice little maneuverable motorcycle. 83 Honda Shadow 750 VT750C for cruiser. And you basically are sitting in a chair on this motorcycle. I like to be planted straight above my feet. Now I don't like leaning forward too much because I'm getting old and that does hurt my back, so back and wrists do start to hurt on a sport bike, on anything that really makes you lean forward and put weight on your wrist too much. But this is a very comfortable motorcycle. I should have went, but she sounds really good and she's doing everything right, and she has 23,800 miles, and I'm gonna sell her. Unfortunately, I don't have a title for this one. I thought this was a parts bike, and then I put her together and got her running, and now she's a runner. She's a fun bike. I like her. Good commuter, just a good little powder round bike. Shadows weren't meant to be performance, they're a V-twin. But if you want some noise out of her, just give her a little throttle and she will deliver. See, do we have no crash bars? That's wide open in what, 4th gear or something? You're probably not going to get yourself in too much trouble. Not that you can't hurt yourself on a 125, but she's not the V65s that we have in the garage. And yeah, I think a lot of that's noise. It's not exactly loads and loads of power. I think these are stock bars, and I'm putting no pressure on my wrist, which is kind of nice for a change. I do that on my Sabres. Yeah, I think I should downshift for those. Happy all over 750. Guys, I've been sweating my butt off. It's been up in the 90s and humid as all get out. There, downshift. Yeah, now she gets up a little faster. casual ride on the 750 Shadow. You can see the temp gauge is there. I believe the cooling system works perfectly on this bike. Oh wait, no, I forgot. Somebody bypassed the thermostat, so let's keep an eye on that. Gotta turn on the fan if I need it. Are you gonna turn? Please. Thank you. Yep, so relatively comfortable bike. I'm just sitting here, legs out in front of me. I don't find I like forward controls, but these hit right where they're meant to be. Oh, my high beam light's on. Oh, I need gas. The last time I rode this, I ran out of gas, and I don't think I put any in. Uh-oh. That could be a problem. I have my wallet. That's good. Yeah, I better stop and get gas as soon as I can. I don't think the low fuel light works on this bike. Whoops. I think there's a gas station up here I can stop at. Alright guys, well, I don't want to run out of gas on camera, so before I do that, I'll see you guys on the next one.